Not sure what to wear this spring and summer? My friend, I have got you covered. I am 41 years young, 5'7", and I have 4 children ages 5 through 12 if you are brand new here. Everything I talk about here today will be linked in that description box in one nice master list so that you can see everything with pictures and descriptions and sizing and different color options, because if you see something in this video that you like, but maybe you want it in a different color, chances are that it is available. And if you're watching from your TV or your iPad, you can go ahead and scan the QR code on screen and it will take you to everything in this video. Let's dive in. I'm going to start out in the must-have shoe category when it comes to spring and summer. 3 pairs of shoes that you're going to want to have on hand that go with everything, and you're going to see these 3 pairs of shoes rotated throughout this try-on video. Starting off with this square toe thong kitten heel sandal. This is by the brand Athlafit. I own so many of their different shoes and sandals. They are so comfortable. They are true to size. I am 7.5. These go with so many different things. Shorts, you can dress them up, you can dress them down. Love these. A nice comfortable nude heel, if you will. Now this is a little bit taller than a kitten heel, but it is not uncomfortable by any means. 7.5 is my size. It's true to size. This is also by the brand Athlafit. We have a pointed toe on this one, and we have a sling back, which you can adjust right here. It's going to be helpful to have a really comfortable nude pointed toe shoe in your repertoire. And last but not least, this square toe sort of front wrap here, black heel sandal, if you will. It has this rattan texture, which I absolutely love. Very beachy, very summery, very vacation-esque. And I have everything covered for you in this video, from loungewear to get dressed up if you have a conference somewhere or a business place that you need to be, or you're going to the beach, or you're going to lunch, brunch, date night. I've got in this video. Starting off with this floral jumper. I absolutely love this. This is one of those jumpers that you don't even have to wear a bra with if you do not want to. I'm completely flat chested and I hate strapless bras. They're so godly uncomfortable. I've tried all of them. All of these are in a size small unless I note otherwise. I accidentally ordered this in a medium, and as you can see from the footage that this fit pretty nicely. I would say that the small would probably fit me a little bit better up top, but I love these stretchy ruffle straps. It also has nice pocket detail. It is not too short. You can pair this with so many different things. You can dress this down and put some white sneakers with it, which is my favorite thing to pair summer outfits with. So comfortable. And the flowers on here, this pattern, gorgeous. Another jumper, but I got this one here in more of a neutral color. I love the tie waist. This would also make an excellent travel piece. And what's really nice here in the armpit area, they have this extra fabric so that your bra is not going to show. Love, love, love the shorts. This material is very comfortable, very cozy. It has these gorgeous pockets here on the side so you can throw your cell phone in, your keys, your lip gloss, or anything that you might need. This color, classic color, very timeless, very chic. This very gorgeous European inspired dress, black and white. I love the flare on this. I am not going to Europe, but if I was this spring and summer, this would be something that I would definitely be packing. I love the strap detail. It's a little bit thicker, so you could wear a bra underneath this that has a little bit more support for you. Great quality on this timeless piece. This is going to go with so many different things. If it gets a little bit chillier when you're traveling, or if you're wearing this in your everyday life, you could put a nice black cardigan over this. You could also dress this up with a black blazer, but switch it out for maybe even a red as for a pop of color, or you could do a white sort of tone on tone with the black detail. The length on this just hugs you in all the right places as well. This 2-piece set, you may not even know that it's a 2-piece set, but I love the flower detail on here. The color combination here, it's sort of a khaki beige with the black, I think is just timeless together. Very comfortable pant, flowy, almost wrinkle resistant. I mean, this could definitely be a travel or vacation piece. And I love, love, love the tank top on this. It has elastic here near the waistband, so this is crop inspired, but as you can see here, my midriff is not even showing on my 5'7" frame, and this is in a size small. I love the thicker straps here, so you can wear a nice comfortable bra with this. Again, another piece that you can really dress up, dress down, go on a date night depending upon where you are doing your date night. I've mentioned in some previous videos, I'm here in Minnesota, so we have a lot of lakes, so eating out by the lake is something that's really popular, and this sort of flowy, effortless look is something that you're going to see time and time again. Loving this butter yellow, kind of a bright yellow jumper, if you will. My mom was just over the other day, and she's in her early 60s, but you would never guess it. She's like a super young glamma, if you will. She's very stylish. She always has been, but she also loved this. There's a tie here in the back, so you can cinch it at the waist a little bit more if you want to, but if you want a more looser feel, you can definitely loosen that up. I love the length on this. This is something that I'm seeing all around the interwebs, a higher end look for less. less. And if this comes in multiple color options, we're gonna pop it on screen here for you because I wanna know what other color can I get this in. I love the buttons here down the front, so you can button up or button it as low as you feel comfortable. Very airy, very linen inspired. This is something that I would see hanging around the Ritz-Carlton. Just effortless and beautiful. Another gorgeous dress, kind of similar to the black and white one that I just showed you, but this is a thinner material, feels very flowy. I love this pink color. This is by the brand Zessica, and I've purchased so many pieces from that line because it is such excellent quality. Very high-end look for less, and I would say it's very elegant, sophisticated, makes you feel put together, and this dress has no doubt speaks to that as well. And just this beautiful pink color. It's kind of like a blush pink, if you will. That's what I would categorize it as. This is one of those jumpers. Again, I am just loving yellow still. It just, you can't be angry, upset, and wear bright yellow or butter yellow. Now, I didn't know if I would love this, but when I put this on, I absolutely fell in love with it. I love the spaghetti straps. I just put some cakes underneath. I will link those down below and in that master list, but I love the adjustable straps right here. And this underneath has shorts, so you get that skirt effect, but you have shorts, so you can go to the baseball game, you can go to picnics, anything family related. Maybe you want to do a lunch or brunch, and if you really want to dress this up or down, accessorize it, have a cute clutch, or if you just want something more carefree and effortless, a nice pair of sneakers, even a baseball hat. Another jumper, but this one is different than all the rest. I got this one in this beautiful army green color. This fits so nicely. I love the gorgeous buttons on there. It has pockets. This is a jumper that you can take anywhere. If you're going out for a brunch or a happy hour or something like that, you can put a nice block heel, a nice chunky sandal, or a kitten heel. But if, again, you want to just be casual, cozy, and comfy, sneakers, a baseball hat goes really, really great with this. That's what I love about all these pieces. They're so versatile. So depending upon what you have going on in your life, you're probably very busy, much like I am. Oftentimes you don't have time to change. Like, you're going from this thing to that thing to this thing, and then all of a sudden you have, oh my gosh, it's a date night plans. Let me just change my shoes, my accessories, grab myself a clutch, maybe a little cardigan if it gets a little bit colder, and you're set. Another sort of jumper. This is a Free People look for less inspired. Now, I wanted to show you what this looks like without a white tank top underneath or without a white t-shirt. Typically, I would pair it with that, but now I want you to have the full effect of what this looks like. It has the spaghetti strap so you can fully adjust it. I mean, if it was really hot and you do not want to do a tank top and you did not want to do a t-shirt underneath, I just wore my cakes under this and I was fully covered, just to give you an idea. But this is a nice lightweight material, this heather gray color. I love everything about it. This is a throw and go look, and you are still looking very chic. I'm obsessed with this two-piece set. I got this in a different variation. It was the fall or winter time, and when I saw that they had it in a short sleeve option, I was like, heck to the yes. I wish you could feel this right now. It feels so soft. I actually got this one in, I want to say a medium. No, I did get this in a size small, and you can see here the length still looks great. I have a two-piece set coming up here in this video. I actually ordered in a medium because I just wanted to be sure on the length because I have a little bit longer legs, but this feels so great. This is something if you're working from home, you could even run errands in this. If I'm taking my daughter to dance or my son to soccer, my other son to baseball, or the running that we do here between my husband and I, and my mom helps us out a ton. This is something I would throw on. Oh, and I could sleep in this. I could travel in this. Oh my word. We have a ton of travel coming up this summer. This is going to be like, this is my go-to. This two-piece set, this is a high-end look for less. I've been seeing all over the interwebs, and clearly when I ordered all these, I was obsessed with yellow. So I have this in the yellow option for you. I love the longer top. It has a slit here at the side. You can wear a very comfortable bra with this because of the thicker straps. These nice, comfortable yellow shorts. You feel like you're in pajamas, yet you're looking very classy, very chic, sort of like the sweater material. This is very vacation-esque, very loungewear, but again, you could still run your errands in this. This is gonna go with you wherever you need to. Classic striped two-piece set. I love me a good two-piece set. In fact, I made an entire video all based on hot spring and summer two-piece sets. I'm gonna link that down below in the description box. Love this color combination here, the khaki and the black. It's timeless. You can never go wrong with it. What's really nice about both of these pieces, or a lot of these pieces, is you can mix and match. So maybe you just want to wear the vest one day and you want to put some jean shorts underneath, or maybe a nice pair of white pants I think would look really summery and gorgeous, a cute belt. Oh, possibilities. possibilities are endless. And then you also have these lounge shorts. So you can put this piece and set together, or you can wear it individually. I would do like a white t-shirt with this. An easy white tank top would look really nice, even black. I'm obsessed with brown, chocolate brown. We were seeing a ton of it in the fall and the winter, but we are still seeing and embracing our chocolate brown, and I'm here for it. I mean, I love me some black, but if I can mix and match with some brown in there, yes. Now this two-piece set I actually ordered in the size medium. This is by the brand Trendy Queen. I have several of their pieces. I stand by them. They're very comfortable. You can tuck this in if you want more of a put together look, but if you're looking for something very cozy and casual, then I would leave this completely undone. The size medium, the pant length was like perfect for me, which is something that's quite hard to find, and I'm loving this. And what's also great about the drawstring waistband here is you can wear it a little bit higher if you want a high rise, or if you want a mid rise or low rise, depending upon how you want the look and feel to be of this two-piece set. Great for travel, great for lounging, errands, everyday wear. Another two-piece set. I swear they're not all two-piece sets, but you know, it just makes life easier, and it's basically you get more bang for your buck because again, you can mix and match these pieces. Loving this pink and white stripe. My mom was also looking at this, and I'm like, well, I'm gonna try it on and see what I think, and I love it. I don't know if they have multiple color options of this offhand, so we're gonna put it on screen for you to see as well, but nice thick strap detail. That way you can wear a bra that's very comfortable for you, that gives you support. If you are blessed in the category of the chest area, I definitely was not. I mean, I suppose it's a blessing and a curse. Things look really nice if you have, you know, just some girls to go with the outfit, very feminine. But as we age and nursing for babies, I mean, I'm thankful that mine are quite tiny because then, you know, they just don't sag and droop as much. So there is that. God, don't we want what we don't have? Isn't that how it goes? You have short hair, but then you want the long hair. And if you have long hair, then you want the short hair. If you have curly, straight hair. Ay, ay, ay. Moral of the story, just embrace what we got, right? Embrace what your mama gave you. A nice rattan belt. Now this did not come with any of the pieces, but I'm gonna show you here in just a second a jumper that I paired it with. You wanna have this in your closet, in your repertoire. In fact, someone I follow on Instagram, she gets like millions of views on her reels, recommended this belt. I too was influenced and I got it. I love it. It's totally adjustable, very stretchy. If you have a dress or just something that you're wearing that you like, it just needs a little extra detail, this is the perfect belt, especially for spring and summer. Here's that jumper. I don't know what they're calling this color, sort of like a salmon, more of a rose. It depends upon the lighting that you're in. This is a jumper that I do not need to wear a bra with, but I could just stick my cakes on. But if you did want to wear a bra for a little bit more support, the straps are thick enough, very flowy, very effortless, great for vacation. It also has pockets so you can quickly throw in a chapstick, your keys, your phone, or something that you might need to. And because it's lightweight enough, this is just fantastic for the spring and the summer. You could wear this for a date night depending upon how you accessorize it. I love this. Moving into this pink and sort of yellow two-piece set. This reminds me of Lemonade. Very casual, very comfy. I'm gonna put some white sneakers with this beauty here. I love the shorts. I love the oversized top. This is a Free People look for less. Very comfortable. You're walking your dog, you're going for a walk, you're running your errands, you're taking your kids to soccer or baseball or lacrosse or whatever it is that your kids play. This is the perfect outfit. You feel like you're in pajamas, yet at the same time you still look really cute, especially, you know, you just put a little bit of makeup on just to like freshen things up, maybe a little lip color, you brushed your hair out or put it in like a really nice slick back pony or bun and some cute shoes and you're set. Heck, this would even look super cute with a baseball hat and some white sneakers as well. I'm all about the baseball hat in the summertime for a variety of reasons. It blocks the sun because I want to not age this as much as humanly possible. So I like tend to stay out of the sun, especially the face area. And two, depending on the level of humidity, sometimes my hair just like does not do what you might want it to do. So I love me a good baseball hat and it can keep you a little bit cooler. And we traveled to Florida several times. And if you're watching from Florida, you have to let me know, are there any tricks up your sleeve when it comes to the humidity in your hair? We just were in Panama City Beach and my hair would not hold a curl. It was so frizzy. My mom and I were chatting about this exact same thing because we're going back to Florida here again pretty soon here. And I'm like, there's gotta be some tricks. I like wearing a baseball hat, but do I want to wear it for 7 days of vacation? I don't know. Somebody tell me down below in that comments box or send me a DM on Instagram at Andrea Jean Co. Off of the hair rant train saga into this two-piece set here. This is a little bit fun. This is sort of a mermaid mermaid skirt, if you will. So if you're looking to show off your very beautiful feminine curves, this is what I'd recommend. I got this here in this blue color because I didn't yet show anything quite like this. Nice lightweight material. You can tuck in the shirt. You can leave it untucked depending upon how you're feeling. Wear it with a ballet flat, wear it with any of the shoes that I'm showing here. Even a sneaker and a baseball hat also looks really cute with this. It has the nice drawstring detail so you can adjust this and make it comfortable. Pockets here. Yes. Now I have a conference coming up here in the summer, a training, and I was in the market for a really nice lightweight two-piece set. I'm going to be going to Georgia and it's going to be quite hot. So I love this pant set. Black, really great quality of material. This is a size small and I think that it fit very nicely on the waist. I also love the vest on this. So you can wear this in and of itself, all by itself, which is how I will wear it. I will just accessorize it a little bit more and you can wear it with any of the shoes that I showed you. I love the gold buttons, just very elevated, very comfortable, like, yes. Great for the office, great for conferences, great for a date night, depending upon how you're feeling and where you're going and what type of look that you're trying to obtain. I think this would look super chic with a nice slick back bun, if you know what I mean. Yes. Or if you have shorter hair, you could really rock something super cute. Now I have 4 tops that I want to share with you, all different, yet accomplish a lot of different tasks, if you will. This nice lightweight knit white sweater. This is something that you can throw over things. You can wear it by itself. I just had a nude bra underneath. You have to let me know if you can tell from the footage here, but I just wanted to show you entirely what this would look like without something underneath it, other than the nude bra, of course. But I love the oversized feature, the bell sleeves on this. This is something that I would have in my car. I'd have in my office. If it gets a little bit cooler, you can throw this on if you're on a date night. And again, it gets a little bit cooler, you're going for a walk after a date night, which is something that I often like to do, you know, kind of get things moving around, spend some time outside. I don't know. I just love a nice good walk. It's finally warming up here in Minnesota, so I will be outside all the live long day. A beautiful white button down, but also very girly, very romantic, which is very popular. Love these details. You can wear this with jeans, which is what I'm showing you here in the footage, but you could also dress up this top. A black skirt would look really nice. White pants, you could do a really beautiful monochromatic look with this. It has the sleeves here, so you can wear a very comfortable bra. You have all the support that you need. Can't go wrong with a great white basic, but elevated. This Free People Look for Less tank top. I mean, it is a hot spring or summer day. This is the tank top that I'm going to gravitate toward. I love the lace detail on here. Very on trend, if you will, but lace really, let's be honest, is popular all the time. It's just a classic piece. And I love this beautiful green color with the flowers. It has a tie front here. So airy, very bohemian, very effortless, which is exactly what you want when it starts to get warmer out. And last but not least, this gorgeous top right here. Now I've seen this style in so many different options. In fact, in a previous video, I had it in a green version, but it was a long sleeve velvet top with sort of ruffles. So when I saw this one, I was like, heck to the yes. I love the lace detail. There's so much that you can do with this. I just paired it with some blue jeans for a more casual look, but I also think this would look really nice if you had some white capris or some white pants, even some white shorts, if it's a little bit warmer in the spring and summertime. In this sky blue, icy blue color, I cannot get enough of. Let me know your favorite piece down below in that comments box. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram and Facebook because I post on there almost every single day, and we have got to keep the fun going. So click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.